Okay, here I am trying to clean those forks up. I got my front fender removed and I jacked up the bike just a little bit, just so that this is a little bit loose and the forks are extended a little bit. And this is how I'm working on cleaning it. I busted the brake caliper loose just a little bit to give me a little bit of room without really taking it off. And then over here, I am using just a piece of sandpaper. This is 220 grit, and as you can see, I'm starting to make progress. This took me less than 10 minutes, maybe 5 minutes. I put a piece of Scotch-Brite back behind it just because it made it easier to hold it to do some sanding, but I can tell that this is actually doing the trick. If you look at it's hard to, I don't know if I can get a good video. Maybe whenever they do it at the factory, they probably sand them as well. Because if you noticed, you can see some casting marks from probably when they casted it. And then at the factory, they probably come and polish these off. This right here, I already kind of cleaned this one up. It had this corrosion from the road on it as well. But this is doing the trick, and by using the fine grit sandpaper, I'm getting probably close to the granularity of the polishing that they did at the factory, because you can see a little bit of a line. I don't know if I can get it on video, but I can tell they did a sanding of some kind. Either that or they turned it in a lathe, because the lathe can do this as well. But I thought it was kind of odd. You have polishing up here and these pieces, so it's hard to say if they did it in a lathe, because there's these ridges where I can tell they probably didn't use a lathe, and it's polished over here as well on the back side. So that kind of indicates that they probably did some kind of a sanding procedure to get it smooth like that before they put a finish on it. I'm gonna follow up and just put this Blue Magic, this came with a broken piece, just this Blue Magic polish, because there's somebody else on YouTube that was showing this. I'll post a follow-up with this, but this, with just a few minutes, it looks like this is definitely doing the trick. Okay,